Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll be learning how to make a gingerbread house. So, this is how the box looks like. And then, what we're going to do is that we're going to open it. And then, all the stuff that's on the picture is inside, especially with the cream. So this is how it looks like. So it already comes with the cookies, already comes with the icing, as well as with the candy, and also with this. And it also comes with the stand for when you're making the gingerbread house. So it involves the gingerbread house involves the house, and also with the gingerbread in it, as well as what looks like a tree as well. So what we're going to do is I'm going to open this. Alright, so I've already got it open a bit. So when we're making the gingerbread house, there are instructions on the back of the box, right here. So, what I'm going to do is that we're going to follow the instructions, and then we'll see how we're going to make it. So, step 1 is prepping the icing. So, it says knead or massage the icing pouch for 1 minute to a soft, smooth consistency. So, remove the cap and cut the tip of a ½ centimeter from the end. Be sure not to cut the opening too large. Twist the bag slightly from the bottom to ensure a smooth flow of icing. Your icing is ready to squeeze. So this is the icing right here. And then what we have to do, so what we do is I'm going to knead it like this, so it can be smooth and consistent. It says you have to do it for 1 to 2 minutes. Alright, so now we knead / massage the icing pouch. Now what we're going to do is that we're going to open the cap. Alright, so now the cap is already open. So now what we're going to do is that we'll just have to cut it with scissors. So make sure you don't cut it too big. Just cut it very small like this, and then always gotta check to make sure that it is good. So now that's already cut. Now what you have to do is I lay the houses flat on the surface. So I'm just going, so these houses right here, I'm just going to lay it out. So this is how the house is supposed to look like. And then what you're going to do, we'll just turn to the back like this, because that's where you're going to put the icing. And then here are the windows for the house. As well as we'll keep that towards the front right now, and then here's the roof of the house. I'm just gonna lay that here, like just straight up, and then what we have here is that we have the gingerbread, as well as the Christmas tree. I'm just gonna lay that down just on top of here. So now, what we're going to do is step 3. Is going to prepare the house. So, what we're going to do is that we're going to put icing on the front on the house first. So which are these two right here. So then, make sure you don't put too much icing. So put like a reasonable amount. Just gonna wait for that to come out, and then you gotta go down off the side. Like that. So that's one. And if you see some like extra icing, then you can just put it like down like that what I just did. You go on to the next house. Just gonna put a little. If you see that there's not enough icing, you can just put a bit more. Then it'll be good. Just don't put like too much. Right. Now that's done. What we're going to do now is step 4, which is building the house. So, how it's going to work is that with this base right here, you're going to put... Oh yes, that's supposed to be on the other side. So, it's supposed to be on this side. And then what you're going to do is that you're going to get the windows right here, and then you'll connect them with the house like this. And then you're going to get your other window for the other side of the house like this, and then you put it on this side. And then, what you'll have to do is that, so if your house doesn't is not sticking very well, you're more than welcome to put more icing if you like. So we're just gonna put more icing on this, and then we're gonna connect it, just like that. All right. It's looking good so far. So if you're wondering how it looks like, this is how it looks like so far. Then what you're going to do is that you're going to get the last piece of the front house, and then you're going to put it on the back right here. So it may take some time to stick, but it looks good so far. Alright, now that's done. Now we're going to put icing on the roof. So what we're going to do is that we're going to put icing on the top right here. So, I'm going to show you. So, that's one. And then now, right? Now both sides of the house are done. So then what you're going to do is that you will get the roof. It should be facing this way, so these things should be facing down. And then you're going to put it on top of your house. So that's how it looks right now. And then what you're going to do, you're going to get your other piece of your gingerbread house, and you're going to put that beside it. So I'm just going to move it a bit because it doesn't look that stable. I'm just going to put more icing on the top here, so it'll be even more stable. Looks like my icing is about to fall off a bit. There, I put some more icing on the top. So then make sure that your roof is facing down, or these things are facing down. And then you're going to put this with the other piece on top. Not really like equal, but it's still going to work. So now your gingerbread house is ready. We have the decorations right here. So we got these sour gumballs, and then we got some hard candy right here. So you can use those to decorate your Christmas tree as well as your gingerbread house. And if you want, you can look at the box and look at it. Look at the decoration of that if you want to use that. Or you can decorate the gingerbread house on your own. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to decorate this gingerbread house. So if you want to get these to stick on, what you have to do is that you have to put icing on it in order to make it stick. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to start decorating the roof a bit. So I'm going to start on the other side, and then I'm going to show you after. So this is how it looks at the moment. So I'm just doing the top, and then I'm going to go all the way to the bottom. So I've done the second part now. Now I'm going to keep going down. So this is how it looks right now. Now I'm going to do the other side. Right, so now the roof is complete. Now we're going to do the other sides. So start off with the front right here. Right. So here is how the front looks. Now I'm going to do the other side. Right. Now the other side is done. Now I'm going to work on the sides. Now this side is done. You may see that there is a lot of icing that's going to come off, or just look loose. That will happen. Now I'm going to do the last side, and then I'll put candy on. Alright. Now both sides are done. Now you can put the candy on whichever way you like. Alright, so now we're going to put the candy on. So I already put the first candy on top. And then I'm going to keep going like this. So you have to put more icing, or you can put it on the candy. So it'll be a lot more easier. So we're just going to put more icing on the top, so it'll be a lot more easier to put the candy on. Not all the candy is going to fit up there. Like we have one more of this. So I'm just going to put the other candies on the other places. So I'm just going to put it on this side, and then I'm going to show you after. So this is how it looks at the moment. I'm going to keep going down, and then I'm going to do the other side. This is how the side of the roof looks like. Now, I'm going to do the other side of the roof. Here's the side already done. And if you want, if you feel like you run out of candy or something, you can put different candy if you wish. So what I did is I got some M&Ms right here. So just put those on. So this is how it looks. So now you can decorate it as you want. Now your gingerbread house, your gingerbread man, and your gingerbread tree is now ready to be eaten. So that's how the gingerbread tree looks like. And then this is what the gingerbread man looks like. And then here's the gingerbread house. This is from the roof. And then this is from the front, right here. And then this is from the other side of the roof. It's kind of hard to see the sides because the roof is covering it. And then here's the back of it. So hope you guys enjoyed this video on how to make a gingerbread house. Please comment, rate, and subscribe to our channel. And I'll see you in the next video.